This video is sponsored by AppMaker. AppMaker is a WordPress plugin that converts WooCommerce websites to mobile apps. The mobile app builder helps you create native Android and iOS applications. Get 30% off by being first 200 sign up. Get the link in the description.
Hey everyone, welcome back to another video of Educate WordPress. On this channel, we talk everything about WordPress. And today, we're going to see how we can add filters to our WooCommerce web shop. Let's get started. Adding product filter is an essential part of web shop if you have a lot of products of different price range and categories. Adding this will help users find their preferred product faster. For adding filters, we're going to need a plugin called Filter Everything. Let's head over towards our dashboard. Go to Plugins, Add New, search for Filter Everything. And click on Install Now. Alternatively, you can head over towards the website linked in the description. Click on Download. Choose Upload Plugin and choose the downloaded zip file. And then click on Install Now. For now, let's activate this plugin. And let's see some of the settings. Let's go to Settings. And here we have some settings. We have Collapse Filters widget on the mobile device. We can enable that. We can also add sidebar to the top of the mobile device. And we can add Ajax for filters. Basically adds background loading of the product filters. We can add primary widget colors as well. We can add URL var names from here. We will see what it means later. And there are also some experimental features. For example, you can remove the Hide WooCommerce default sorting dropdown, which basically means this default sorting provided by WordPress itself. It can hide it. But if you want to hide this default sorting, you can just go to your Customize. Go to the WooCommerce section. Go to Product Archive. And turn off this radio button for Shop Sort. This is an option available in the 𝗀𝗀𝗃 theme. I've already made a video on 𝗀𝗀𝗃 theme and shown how the theme works and why do I prefer it. For now, let's add a new filter. Let's add a filter title. Let's select products. Let's click on Add Filter. We will filter by product categories. The filter label will be categories. And you can add the var name. This will be the part of URL once the filter will be applied. And we're going to use checkboxes, but you can also use radio buttons, label lists and dropdowns. For now, we will use checkboxes. There are also some more options that you can add, like filter logic, sorting terms, include or exclude terms, folding, hierarchy, search field, parent filter, and more. For now, I'll leave everything at default and click on close. Let's add another filter for price. We're going to filter by custom field num. The meta key will be price. The filter label will be price as well. Let's add a var name. And let's click on publish. Now that we have added our filters, let's add this filter set to our website. We can do that just by using the customize feature. Let's go to the products page where we want to add the filter. Click on customize. Scroll down. Go to widgets. Go to WooCommerce sidebar. And here you should see the WooCommerce sidebar. Let's insert a widget by clicking on the plus icon. Browse widgets. And you should see filter everything filters. I'm going to disable the number of posts and change the title to filter. And I'm going to publish. Let's take a look at our website. So as you can see, our filter options have been added. We can filter by category. Also, as you can see, the accessories category has been added over here. But if I click on cross, the filter has been removed. We can also choose by price by this slider. And as you can see, we have our products filtered by the slider. You can also manually change it. And there's also a reset all button. Now in this way you can add filters in any website, not just WooCommerce website, but any website of your choice using filter everything. Now that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Like if you find this video useful and subscribe. Thank you.